By now, you need to information about tomorrow. What is concerning about me. We have one activity at 8:30 when we visit this interpretation center. By the way, and for me, the highlights of tomorrow in the village or maybe in the center will be a mockingbird. A mockingbird that is unique. That is unique. Very, very unique. We call the San Cristobal mockingbird. Are you ready? Let's continue. Oh, let me take that picture.
What type of pictures are
Small ground finch.
There's a fly in front of it. I wonder if it's going to catch it.
She is so beautiful. You see, I will give to you this picture as well because she's so beautiful. Look now. Look, she's very beautiful.
When can we load the USB sticks?
Sorry.
After 6:15.
After you watch my photo presentation, if you like it, you say yes, and then I have to be working. Try to, type your names.
Very different than the other ones.
Yeah.
Yes. Your names or room numbers, okay? You will be having dinner, I will be working.